Well, next up at Dynodaze this afternoon is another Cosmic Grey EP3. Doesn't she look pretty? And this one's in for a map. It's got a K100 board in it. So we're going to give it a standard power run, see what she's doing. It's got some modifications. Now I know it's got a 4-to-1 manifold and a Scorpion catback system. It's on a stock airbox, so we'll see what power we can get out of her. Let's get her up on. Made 204 brake horsepower as a stock run, which I think we can improve upon. Richard, how are you doing this sweaty afternoon?
Sweating.
So this is a K100, so Richard's installing a K-Pro board to the ECU so that we can data log and tune, and then once we finish mapping it, we'll put it back onto the K100 and flash that right.
Just want to say I won't be sad when there's none of these K100s left.
You don't particularly like the K100
and I'll never have to touch one ever again.
No, yeah, I could understand that.
Well, it's just a faff.
A faff about.
It's a faff about.
Yeah. Right.
Swapping boards and taking ECUs out of other cars and putting cars back and one thing or another, just generally annoying. What?
It's my little violin.
Oh, okay, fair enough.
Right, let's crack on. Cosmic Grey EP3, number 2 today.
It's amazing you get two in one day, isn't it?
I know, yeah. This one dropped some bombs out as well. He said, I want flames as big as you can make.
That's what happened.
Is that what happened?
That's what happened, mate.
Is that how it
That's
turned
what he
out?
wanted.
That's what he got.
That's what he got.
Right, well, tuned on K100, so, you know, half of the course. Not my favourite, a bit of a faff.
Rich really likes swapping boards in and out.
Yeah, to do it. But, yeah, one of them, it's the means to an end, it works.
Been discontinued now anyway.
Yeah, been discontinued now.
Hopefully
anyway,
we'll never see any more of them.
Yeah, we won't see many, I don't think. But, yeah, so anyway, yeah, tuned on that, tuned up perfectly fine. I think the mods are very basic.
Stock airbox.
Yeah, stock
got
airbox.
4-to-1 and a Scorpion catback, and the Scorpion's only 2 1/4, isn't it?
Yeah, so, like I say, minimal mods. I think we did 220. I mean, we've made some amazing...
217.
217 to be fair, but we've made some amazing gains in the mid-range.
Oh, yeah,
when you look at the graph to how it was originally and then how it is now.
To quote Nicky Gower, this would be like night and day.
Yeah, 100%. Should we have a look at that graph?
Come on, why not, eh? Pow!
Oh, my mistake, it's 219. Richard was right, 220-ish brake. Look at these gains in the mid-range here, massive. That's going to feel phenomenal as we lowered the Vtec and extended the rev range out. And like we just said, we finished on just shy of 220 brake, 185 at the wheels. So there we go, our Richard's on his knees. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we will see you on the next video. Won't we, Richard? We will. Jensen, any final words? No. Okay, we'll get him into it. Don't worry, guys, we'll get him into it. He just hasn't quite got it yet, but he's a bit shy, but we'll get him into it. We'll get him into it. Right, in a bit.
Said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.